Hi, how are you?
It,
Congratulations to you. I bring all the greetings and best wishes from all the faculties of Speed to you and the
yeah,
entire team for getting rank number one and NEET SS 2020 and DM Hepatology of your specialty of your choice.
thanks, sir, and thanks to all the faculty members also.
So it has been a
It
great
was
privilege to have you here for an interview that has been placed and scheduled today. And this is basically to understand and also to appreciate your journey in medicine and to way heading to a super specialty of your dream branch of hepatology and DM hepatology.
yeah,
And
yeah.
dear Pritam, can you tell me uh, your journey of doing medicine to post graduation in general medicine, then now on to preparation for NEET SS super specialty in DM hepatology, and as an hepatologist in years to come, as you going to finish in 3 years. And I mean, how do you conceive it? How did you go through this?
It was a nice journey. I did MD from BHU. BHU had a good medicine department, as well as we got postings in super specialty as well in first year and third years. So we got good exposure and an idea about how the things work. So we basically I had more interest in gastroenterology and hepatology.
When did you
And
decide? During your medicine days or during your post
the
graduation?
final year postings over there during mainly in the second year, I thought about taking gastro and hepatology. Actually I got rank 1 in hepatology and 10 in gastro.
So DM hepatology rank number one and DM gastro rank number 10.
Yes.
Yes. So when did you start your preparation? What was your preparation strategy? Can you share something about that?
Actually, I started preparation with super specialty books, specifically Celsinger.
Hmm.
I did Harrison during my MD days, but I started Celsinger from the systemic part initially, and I continued medicine throughout the period as well, regular 1 to 2 hours, and the specific and then the gastro and hepatology ASLD guidelines. I also and the classes and the classes also helped. Mainly the medicine classes were good by Karthikeyan sir.
Harrison based classes.
Harrison best classes.
So did you come to Chennai or I mean, did you were only in the speed learning app? I mean, how was it?
Speed
For the
learning app was good. It was accessible from home, from our home environment. I
okay.
came to classes, but the classes were scheduled only 1 month. Gastro classes were scheduled 1 month before aims.
Okay.
So I couldn't balance out. So I couldn't do the medicine classes then. But later I did the videos. Mainly
Okay.
the last 1 month, the Celsinger based classes last for 11 and 12 days by Prasan Gandhi sir and Darshan sir. They helped in revising because Celsinger revised at that moment. Karthikeyan sir classes were uh, good, but we couldn't continue the whole period because we had to revise also.
Okay.
But the classes were good.
So you did the complete revision of Celsinger based classes 1 month before the exam. You attended those classes and you started revising those videos. I mean,
Yeah, yeah,
were
yeah.
there questions from the videos? Were the videos useful? I mean, is that something to be added or
Yeah,
done, or what's your?
videos are useful because we almost throughout the year we get a good grasp of Celsinger, but a few points we sometimes miss. So the classes by Prasan Gandhi sir, the few points that I have missed during it helped. And also the new Celsinger version had come. I couldn't complete just 3 months back, so I couldn't complete the total thing. So that also helped a little.
Okay. So, did you give mock exams? There were almost one AIMS mock exam and 5 NEET level mock exams were there. Did you give all those mock exams and test and
I
topic
I
wise tests?
couldn't I couldn't give the AIMS mock exam, but I give the NEET mock exams. I consulted consulted the questions. The questions are good.
Um, so, per day, how many hours you generally spend for your preparation? Was it a full time preparation or, I mean, how many hours
During
you were?
last last 2 3 months, it was a full time preparation. I gave plenty of hours,
Okay.
almost. And initially, it was I also almost gave 6 to 8 hours initially. Then later on, it was almost full time.
So, you were working some time before? I mean, how is it? How is that? When you are doing,
I worked in a less hectic schedule
okay,
during this period because I completed MD last year.
okay.
So I thought about doing matlab, as soon as getting the DM as soon as possible. So
So,
I
without
preferred,
wasting much time.
yeah, without wasting much time.
Okay. Now, what are your plans? Now, what is that you're going to plan? I mean, DM hepatology rank number one and gastroenterology rank number 10. Still, the option is for hepatology or gastroenterology.
I am thinking more in favor of, although I have more interest in hepatobiliary, but I am more thinking in favor of doing gastro from a good academic institute, like in Vellore. It almost gastro and hepatology almost same setting and same
Yes.
syllabus.
So now, being with this rank, you have an option to choose. I mean, wherever you like to do. I mean, your first
Yeah,
preference will go for what?
yeah,
Your first preference will go for what?
yeah. I am a little confused. Like I have been for 10 years in BHU. So BHU is like a home environment, and the consultants are good, and the near the associate professors, those who have joined, they are also good, and the seniors I have worked under them. So and exposure is also good. So that is, and Vellore is obviously good academic institute. So still a little confused. The Vellore bond is there for 2 years, but bond is not that much an issue. Like it's okay.
You can learn more.
So I am still I can learn more. So I am still a little confused between BHU and Vellore, but within 1 2 days,
You will take a decision on that. So it's your decision
yeah,
now,
yeah,
and it's something which is very great and unique to have you here on
yeah,
the
yeah,
interview with the classes. I mean, interview about your preparation, the classes, and the number of hours and all that.
yeah, yeah,
So, what is the final word that you
yeah,
want to
yeah.
add to the juniors that you want to tell them? If you want to advise them, what you will advise?
Yeah, if you have to choose branch like gastro, you have to get a good rank. You need a good academic, good institute later on. So it's better to focus for 6 to 9 months, forgetting everything and focus and study. Videos are good. You will get help. At the same time, the standard textbook is also, you have to study hard. And at the end of the day, uh, institute matters. So a good rank matters. So it is better to toil 6 to 9 months or 1 year and get a good college rather regretting later that I haven't. Now reservation is also maybe coming or not. No one is sure, and bond
Yes.
is there. So it is always better to study hard for 1 year and get a good college. And definitely standard books is necessary, and medicine is also necessary. Sometimes people focus more on specific super specialty and doesn't do that much in medicine, but medicine is necessary. Videos and along with that, Harrison and recent questions are necessary.
You tell me, of the 100 questions, what were the
Yeah, yeah.
exact bifurcations of questions that you could see in general medicine, hepatology, and gastroenterology, as it was
Well,
now?
I couldn't understand. It is 40/60. I couldn't understand
40,
what you
60.
were.
In 60, what were the number of questions that you could see in hepatology, gastroenterology? I mean, do you have some analysis on that? Have you felt this is what I prepared and this is what is there at the exam? After the exams, you would have had an idea about it.
I didn't calculated much about
Okay.
that this time the exam was good. I didn't
So you enjoyed
think
the
that
exam, and
much
after
about
that you
that.
kept quiet.
Yeah,
So
yeah. The
yeah,
exam was good. The question were almost questions were good. I could figure out almost maximum of them. Fewer semester, but I could figure out maximum of them. So I didn't
you didn't do that.
calculate
Okay.
much. I thought.
Yeah. So anyway, I mean, it's something which is great, and it's a great achievement. And being number one in the country is a great feeling. And hope that at this point of time and
Yeah,
during the
yeah,
lockdown, there is great news and a good news to you and to your family, and also to the
yeah, yeah,
faculties who are there, been all along with you. They also felt
yeah,
very
yeah,
happy on looking at your rank. They always asked me to convey on behalf of them all the best wishes and greetings to you. And once again,
yeah, yeah,
on behalf of this entire Speed Institute,
yeah, yeah.
I
Thank.
wish you all the very best and all the success throughout your career and in DM gastroenterology, and to be a gastroenterologist in years to come, and to be topmost in the country and do a great service to your patients in your specialty. And I wish you all the best and all the success.
And thanks to the platform and all the faculty members. It had been helpful. Specifically, the medicine classes have been much helpful, more helpful. So thanks to all the faculty members in gastro as well as in medicine, and definitely the platform that had been set.
Thank you. Keep in touch with us, and we have an invite for you to
Yeah,
be a faculty in Speed. And whenever you feel like want to teach, definitely this platform is open for you to contribute what you have learned to your juniors.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Thanks a lot.
Most welcome, doctor. And once again, thank you very much for being with us. God bless you. All the best.